Hey there, language lovers! Ready to dive into the world of verb? Let's unlock the action words that make our sentences come alive. First up, what's a verb? Think of it as a heartbeat of a sentence. Verbs are action words, they show what someone or something is doing. Let's discover some exciting examples together. Action verbs are all about movement and energy. Check this out: running, like the spy in this picture. Feel the rush? Running keeps us energized and healthy as well. And there is also another word, jump, like the spy here. Jumping brings us joy. Look at the smile of the spy. Who doesn't love a good leap into the air, right? Thinking. Thinking helps us solve problems. Like you are stuck here somewhere and you need to think of some ideas. How you need to deal with some problem. And with great thinking, you can solve problems and come up with great ideas. Next, let's talk about helping verbs. These layer verbs alongside with verbs to add meaning into them. Will is a helping verb. What does it do? It tells us about the time and the mood in a sentence. For example, she will run a marathon next month. Exciting, right? So, the verb will here is telling us about her future plans. Have. They have finished their homework. Great job. We can say they have completed their project and they are having fun now. Is. The spy here, he is preparing for his exams at the moment. So, with the help of these words like is, will, have, we get to know about the time and also the future plans of the persons. Fantastic job, everyone. Verbs are magic that brings our sentences to life. Keep using them to express yourself and share your stories. Thanks for joining me today.